Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're looking for a simple budget-friendly email marketing tool in 2025, you have probably seen MailerLite pop up a lot. But is it actually worth it? In this video, I am break down MailerLite's feature, pricing, pros and cons, and giving you my honest take so you can decide if it is the right fit for your business. I will show you what I like, what I don't, how much it really costs, and who should or shouldn't use it. So grab a coffee, hit the like button, and let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in MailerLite.com. This is the options. So first, what is MailerLite.com? So MailerLite is an email marketing platform for small businesses, creators, bloggers, and anyone who needs to send newsletter and automated emails. It's known for being super easy to use, affordable, and surprisingly powerful for the price. You can build email campaigns, set up automations, design landing page and pop-ups, and even build a simple website all inside MailerLite. Basically, it is like MailChimp or ConvertKit but more budget friendly. So here actually we can see the demo over that place. Let's click to the demo, and also we can sign up for free, and here you can see get a free 13 days trial of premium feature and no credit card required. That's awesome. So here you will get the demo over that place, so if you want to watch it out you can, but I will sign up for free and then I will actually use this and then I will understand how amazing that was. We are digital, the name will be Mahim, the email address I'm going to copy that from the mailbox. So I will copy the mail and I will paste it here, and I will give the password over that place. So this is the password I already provided, and just click to the create my account, or also you can go with sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. This is the simplest way. So you can do emails. This email is already connected to MetLife account, so that's great. I already created an account there, so it already suggests us to go log in. So I'll click on sign up with Google, and then it will redirect us to that place. Sign up, sign in as Google, and just select our mail, and then actually it will redirect us to the dashboard. I hope so. Let's see what will happen here. Yeah, actually you can see it already landed us to the dashboard. So now I am going to talk about the features of Mailer account. So this is the dashboard panel. So here is the Mailer's biggest feature in 2025, that it has drag and drop email builder. Let's create a campaign, then you will understand why I am talking about drag and drop. Let's click to the create campaign and select regular campaign, then provide a campaign name that will be email subscribe, and then click on subject will be subscribe our channel, then pre-holder something like this one. This is the pre-holder. Receptionist address, you can add a receptionist if you feel you just need to add. Just click to the select, and then sending domain not recommended, and then click to the next content, and here actually you will come. So here you just need to be choose drag and drop editor. I already mentioned, so you just need to click over here, continue. Once you click over here, now you will get a clean drag and drop editor with 120 plus modern templates, and you can create beautiful newsletter without needing any coding skills. So here actually you can see. So let's try to add this header. You just need to be drag and drop here, and you can actually see that already been added here. So I mentioned this one. Now they have another options called email automation. So you just need to be set up welcome sequence, birthday emails, abandoned cart reminders, or behavior based follow-ups. The automations editor is visual and pretty easy to learn. Landing page and pop-ups. Let's talk about this feature that MailerLite lets you build landing page for previous webinar signups or lead magnets, plus pop-up from that you can embed it on your website. So here you can actually see it that we can easily create our website from that place also. Just click over here, and here you can see we have a couple of things like membership, that digital product subscription, donation, and many more. Then if I click to the side, and with these options you can create your website, create your first landing page through MailerLite. Then you can build website builder, like built-in website builder. If you don't have a website, you can create a simple one right inside MailerLite. It is not as advanced as Wix or WordPress, but it works for quick portfolio or newsletter hub. Then it has subscribers management, like create segments and group based on how people interact with your emails. You can send targeted campaigns to their right people. Then you have analytics and A/B testing options, where you can track opens, clicks, subscribers, unsubscribers, and see heat maps of where people click. And you can also test subject lines to improve results over that place. Also, you have the integration option. As you can see, this is the integration option. MailerLite connects with Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Zapier, and lots of other tools. You just need to be explore it to get it perfectly. So here you can see it. Then here you can see like a demo, like demo pic. Here's quick look how MailerLite works. So here let's come to the dashboard, and this is the main dashboard. You will see your subscriber, campaign, and recent state over that place. As you can see, this is the performance overview. Then you just need to click to create campaign. If you want to campaign, just shift to the campaign, and here you just need to be create campaign. We already created one, so actually you can see it. Then you can drag in your text and email. It is super simple. Then you just need to click automations to build a workflow, add triggers, like when someone joins the group, then set the emails to send. You can do it. Let's play the video, and here actually you will get this one here. This way you can easily create your trigger automations. Then under the side you can build a landing page in a minute. Pick a template and change text, hit publish. It's very beginner friendly. And then we are going to talk about the pricing. Now let's talk about the MailerLite pricing in 2025, because this is where it really shines. So let's click to this one and let's find it out where is the pricing options. So let's click this one, or we can search MailerLite pricing. Let's search it, MailerLite pricing, and let's see what happens. So here I just need to be click on pricing, and here you will find out that MailerLite has a hobby plan. It's totally, I can say, the completely free. You can start 100% free with up to 1,000 subscribes, and then up to 12,000 mails per month. You will get basic automation, landing page, and forms. And there is another one that is a starter plan. It is for growing business plan. It starts from $28 per month. It has up to 15,000 emails and many more. So here you can actually research it. There's a couple of things. For non-profits, they offer up to 30% offer, and you can save about 10% if you pay annually. So if you are just starting out, you can do a lot for free, then upgrade only when you need it. Then let's talk about the pros. So here you can see the dashboard over that place, and you already understand how easy the UI was. So if you're not a techie guy, then you can actually also use this platform. So it is very easy to use, I already mentioned. Then it has generous free plan. So many platforms limit you to 500 contacts. MailerLite give you almost, as you can see, 300 emails. That's so much amazing. Then they have clean templates. Their email and landing page templates look so much modern, and it has solid deliverability. MailerLite has a good sender reputation. Your emails land in inboxes, not spam. Then affordable upgrades. It compared to ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign, MailerLite is cheaper for a small list. And on the other hand, let's talk about the cons. That, but of course it's not perfect. Here are some cons will be available, like it has limited advanced automations. Then it has no built-in CRM. Then it has some bugs, like the drag and drop editor is good, but a few people report glitch when editing big emails. Then it has strict approval. They do review your account before you can fully use it, and some people say they got rejected or asked for more information. Here you can see we already completed our email verification, then complete the profile, but it does not confirm the account. Confirm your account in order to start sending emails on public site. So you just need to confirm. There is so much procedure on this. so it's sometimes so much difficult. Then there is a limited integration. They cover the basic, but it is not as wide as MailChimp or HubSpot. So why you should use MailerLite? So if you are a blogger or a small business freelancer or creator with a small email list, it is perfect for users. If you want an affordable, no fast tool that does the essential really well, you will have it. If you need advanced sales funnel, CRM, or SMS, look elsewhere. Then let's give you a final verdict. That's so here's my final verdict. That is MailerLite is still one of the best budget-friendly email marketing tools in 2025. Easy to learn, free to start, and powerful enough for most beginners. Try the free plans if you like it and upgrade only when you are ready to scale. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and drop a comment below. Are you planning to try MailerLite this year? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.